Hello my dear little students. Here we have a question from data handling. The question reads, the table shows the number of boys and girls participating in an event in the school. So here you see you have got a table where you have got number of boys in one column, number of girls in another column with their different sections, and these numbers 24, 19, 27, etc. shows the number of boys and girls participating in an event in the school. The total number of participating boys is double that of the total number of girls participating. It means the total number of boys is twice the total number of girls participating in the event. If the total number of boys participants from section B, here you see for section B, number of boys and number of girls are not given, but it is said that if the number of boys participants from section B is equal to the number of girls participants from section B, what is the total number of participants from section B? So now it is asked, what is the total number of participants from section B? So this is the question. Please read the question carefully that it is our total number of participants from section B. So let us try out. I will show you how to arrive at the answer through two ways. One is the algebraic way, second is process of elimination. So let us try out the first method. We will first take the first method. So as because it is said that if the number of boys participants from section B is equal to the, here it is clearly said, is equal to the number of girls from section B. So we can write down, suppose the number of boys participant is X, the number of girls participants will also be X. Then what we can do, we can add the number of boys. So number of boys will be equal to 24 plus X plus 19 plus 27. So let us first of all add them up. 24 plus 19 plus 27, which is equal to plus 9, 13 plus 22 plus 2, 4, 5, 7, 70. So the total number of boys is 70 plus X. This is the total number of boys. Now the total number of girls, let us add this up also, will be equal to 13 plus 7 plus 6, which is equal to 13 plus 7, 20, 26 is equal to 26 plus X. This is the number of girls. Next, you see that it is said that the total number of participating boys is double that of the total number of girls participating. So the total number of boys participating, that means 70 plus X is double, means twice the total number of girls, that is 26 plus X. So now if you know little bit of algebra, you can solve it. This is 70 plus X. You open up the bracket, 26 multiplied by 2 is 52 plus 2 multiplied by x is 2x. Now 2x, now doing little bit of reshuffling, we will take this 52 this side, so this will become minus 52 equal to 2x. This x will go over there, as because this is plus x, it will become minus x over here, equal to x equal to 70 minus 52. Further we can write x equal to 70 minus 52, which is equal to 18. So total number of boys is x, which is equal to 18, and the total number of girls is also x, which is equal to 8. So you may be super confident and mark B as the answer, but this is not the correct answer. Why? Because it is asked what is the total number of participants from section B. So the total number of participants from section B will be the total number of boys plus the total number of girls. So 18 plus 18 or 18 multiplied by 2 is 36. So my dear little friends, 36 is the right answer. So this is one of the method through which you can solve this particular question. This is algebraic method. If you know this method, where we have to take a variable and solve for it. Otherwise, if you do not know this, then please look into my second method. Now let us discuss the second method, and probably through the second method you can arrive at the correct option much faster than the first method. So now, as because it is said that number of boys participants is same as the number of girl participant, let us take x for both as we have taken for the first method. So this is equal to 24 plus 19 plus 27. This is equal to, as we have added them up, there's no need to do that same thing again. So it is equal to 70 plus x, and this is equal to number of girls is equal to 13 plus 7 plus 6, 26 plus x. Now please read this line. The total number of participating boys is double that of the total number of girls participating. So you see this particular number 70 plus x is double of 26 plus x. So what we can do, we can put in the option 1 by 1. Suppose we take the option of 18. So as because it is said, what is the total number of participants from section B? If we take 18 as the answer, then the total number of boys will become 9 and the total number of girls will also become 9. So now if you put here total from section B, we have got 9 boys, and for section B we have got 9 girls, totaling to total number of participants, which is 18. So if you put 70 plus 9 and 26 plus 9, then you see this is 79 and this is 26 plus 9 is 35, and 35 multiplied by 2, which is double of 35, is equal to 70, which is obviously not equal to 79. So we can eliminate this option to be correct. So now let us try another option. Let us try 38. If we try out 38, if 38 is the total number of participants from section B, then if you divide 38 by 2, you will get 19. So we can have 19 boys and 19 girls from section B respectively. So total number of boys will become 70 plus 19, and total number of girls, this is total, this is section B, total number of girls will become 26 plus 19. So now if you add this up, 6 plus 9, 15, to total number of boys will become 89. So if you multiply this 45 by 2, this is equal to 90, which is again not equal to 89. So you can eliminate this also to be the right answer. So you got to do this calculation very fast if you do not know algebra. Now let us try option number 36. 36, let me rub out and show you. So now if you try option 36, so 36 depicts the total number of participants from section B. So if 36 is the total number, then from section B, if you divide 36 by 2, you will get 18. So there are 18 number of boys and 18 number of girls. So now if you add this 18 to the already existing 70 number of boys, and if you add 18 to already existing 26 number of girls, 70 plus 18 is 88 and 26 plus 18 is 44. Here you clearly see that 44 multiplied by 2 is 88, which is equal to the total number of boys. So you can clearly see that total number of girls, so you can clearly see that total number of boys is the double of total number of girls as per the question. So you can mark 36 to be the right answer. So this is how you can carry out process of elimination of wrong answers, wrong options, to arrive at the right answer. This C can be eliminated at the first instance, because if 19 is the total number of participants, but 19 cannot be divided completely, so this cannot be the answer, because this has to be a number which is divisible by 2. I hope you understood what I mean. So 36 is the right answer. You can arrive at the answer through process of elimination also. If you do not follow this, please rewind this video until you follow. Take the help of your teacher to understand this particular question. Keep practicing. Thank you.